Hey guys, Zach here back with DenaliWeld. Today we're going to be welding a customer part. We got a bumper here from Rough Country. It's about 1/8 inch steel, 1/4 inch in some spots, but the biggest concern today is going to be the gap size. We're using a Jet 2000. We're running probably anywhere from about 1,000 to 1,600 watts depending on what joint we're doing specifically. Some of these larger gaps, I'm going to cool it down a little bit so we're not sinking through all the way. And then we're also going to be using some dual wire as well to help kind of cover those gaps and get some larger weld radiuses on some of these outside joints here. So, like I said, stick with us and you'll see some clips and see us welding this. So.
Hey everybody, James here with DenaliWeld. Normally you're seeing in our videos us laser welding our parts. Here today we're going to show you not only how laser welding can save you time on your weldments, but also on your post-weld cleanup as seen here with these seams on this steel bumper.